The family desired a simple structure where they could feel connected to nature, away from the hustle and bustle of the dense city fabric. Thus emerged two parallel stone walls, oriented east-west, forming the body of the house, functioning as the main structural support element of the Raw Abode. On the ground floor, these stone walls host the living, dining, and kitchen spaces in an open concept. The architects of the brick tales aimed for the economical use of natural materials in their simplest form. They utilized black-trap Deccan stone, a type of basalt stone which is a very hard stone sourced from nearby. It is very difficult to achieve finished masonry with this stone. This gave the desired raw, uneven, and rough character to the walls. The stone was used to give a very robust, natural, tactile experience of being inside a cave. The use of these thick 18 inches of stone walls also helps thermally to keep the interiors cooler during hot climates. At both ends of these walls, glass windows were installed, providing spectacular views of the sunrise and sunset. The use of natural materials gives it a timeless character. Wooden furniture was used for the interiors to enhance the narrative and experience further. Metal staircases clad with wood are cantilevered from the stone walls. Exposed raw concrete ceilings form the design language of this Raw Abode. The house was positioned at the front of the plot, leaving open space behind for an introverted private garden area. A metal structure adds lightness to the house. It intersects this mass of stone walls perpendicular to create large outdoor terraces, sheltered by a butterfly-shaped roof that appears to float over the strong and heavy stone walls. These spaces provide a pleasant shelter for comfortable outdoor seating. The sleek steel structure blends with the landscape and allows for uninterrupted views in different directions. This binary relationship between the raw stone and the crisp and precise metal gives a very interesting experience. Upstairs, a glass-enclosed lounge provides vast open views on both sides. In the bedrooms, sliding wooden partitions are used, which can be opened and combined with the lounge to function as a large communal space with open terraces on both sides. The use of the metal structure and butterfly-shaped roof gives a nomadic character to the building, which would otherwise be heavily anchored to the ground. This also reduces the perceived solid vertical mass of the building, which would otherwise make it appear taller, larger, and less human to inhabit. So the idea was to achieve a house that kept people connected to the land and nature in terms of scale and not something too monumental that dominated the landscape. The terraces and balconies protruding from this solid mass offer different, exciting outdoor experiences, avoiding monotony. The way the relationship between inside and outside was shaped makes the house a very lively and unique space.